Hello children, welcome to my channel Dear Little Learners. Today I have brought a very important topic for all of you, that is test of divisibility. And I am starting this with the first test, that is divisibility by 2. So I want to tell you, when a number is divisible by 2, if its unit digit means ones place, is any one of 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Or I can say test of divisibility by 2, it means a number whenever it is an even number that is divisible by 2. For example, you can see I have written the numbers 612. So 2 is coming at ones place, at unit place, that means it is divisible by 2. And 34 also, 4 is there at last, 420 also. So children, whenever we have any number which has 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at unit place or at ones place, it is divisible by 2. This is the first divisibility test. Now the second test of divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits is divisible by 3. That means if suppose we have any number, let's take an example of this number 16,701. What we need to do it? First we have to find out the sum of its digits. And when I have added all the digits 1, 6, 7, 0 and 1, I got 15. This is the sum of this number 15. And 15 is divisible by 3. That means 16,701 is divisible by 3. Okay children, I hope you have understood test of divisibility by 2 as well test of divisibility by 3. Children, now the next divisibility test is test of divisibility by 4. According to this, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits on its extreme right is divisible by 4. It means that if we have any number and we have to find out whether this number is divisible by 4 or not, only what we need to check it, we have to take the last two digits of that number and we will find that whether it is divisible by 4. See, in this number 58,236, we will take only 36 here, and 36 is divisible by 4. That means this whole number will be divisible by 4. See the next example, 4,59,104. Only we will take 04, the last two extreme right side numbers, 04. So 04 will be divisible by 4. That means this whole number will be divisible by 4. This is the only test of divisibility by 4. Children, we learn divisibility test so that always we have to do the work in short, especially in exams. If we know how to do divisibility test or how to find out the divisibility test of following numbers, of these numbers which I am telling you, it will be very easier for us to do work very faster during exams. Okay, now see the next test of divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is 0 or 5. Okay, whenever we have to find out a number is divisible by 5 or not, only we need to check the last digit. It should be either 5 or either 0. So these numbers which has 0, 5, 0 in last or at units place, that means it is divisible by 5. Whereas the numbers which has 3, 9 or any other number other than 5 or 0, that will be not divisible by 5. Okay, so this is the test of divisibility by 5. Now the next test of divisibility is by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by each one of 2 and 3. For example, we are taking a number here 75,864. For finding divisibility test of 6, we have to find both the divisibility test of 2 as well as of 3 also. So we have taken a number 75,864. As you can see, its unit digit is 4. So it is divisible by 2. Okay. Now we have to check for 3 also. The test of divisibility of 3 is we have to find the sum of the digits. So here we will add all the digits of this number 75,864, and by adding all the digits we got the sum 30, and 30 is divisible by 3. That means 75,864 is also divisible by 3. Now this number is divisible by 2 as well as by 3, by both of these numbers. That means 75,864 is divisible by 6. And suppose if in place of 75,864 we have got any number which is either divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. So in that case test of divisibility by 6 will not be possible there. That means that number will do not have any test of divisibility by 6 and it is not divisible by 6. And suppose if we got any number which is not divisible by 2 but it is divisible by 3, in that case also it is not divisible by 6. That means children, the test of divisibility by 6 is only possible when we have the number divisible by both the numbers 2 as well as 3. I hope you all have enjoyed this test of divisibility part 1, and please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel so that I can share my more and more videos with you. Okay, now bye bye.